Transfer of property defined, Section 5. The Transfer of Property Act, 1882 is a foundational law in India governing the transfer of ownership and interests in property. Here are the general meaning of transfer of property. Section 5 Transfer of property defined. In the following sections, transfer of property means an act by which a living person conveys property, in present or in future, to one or more other living persons, or to himself and one or more other living persons, and to transfer property is to perform such act. In this section, living person includes a company or association or body of individuals, whether incorporated or not, but nothing herein contained shall affect any law for the time being in force relating to transfer of property to or by companies, associations or bodies of individuals. Here's a breakdown of the key elements. Living person, both the transferor, conveying the property, and the transferee, receiving the property, must be alive at the time of the transfer. Conveyance, this refers to the act of transferring ownership or interests in the property. This can be done through various legal instruments like sale deeds, gift deeds, mortgages, leases, etc. Present or future, the transfer can be immediate, present, or take effect at a later date, future. To oneself, a person can also transfer property to themselves to create different property interests, such as joint ownership. Essentially, Section 5 establishes the core concept of what constitutes a transfer of property under the Act. This definition lays the foundation for understanding various other provisions related to property transfer, including requirements, formalities, and legal consequences.